Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a direct mail campaign with USPS, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin your direct mail campaign, define your target audience clearly. Identify the specific demographics and interests of the group you want to reach. Next, gather a quality mailing list. Consider purchasing a list or curating one from your existing customer database. Once you have your audience defined, create your message. Ensure that your message is engaging, clear, and aligned with your campaign goals. Design your mail piece with attention to detail. Choose a format that best showcases your message, such as postcards or flyers. Make sure your design includes eye-catching visuals and a strong call to action. After designing, it's time to print your mail pieces. Select a reliable printing service that can accommodate your needs. Ensure that the quality of the materials reflects your brand. Now it's time to prepare your mail for delivery. Address each piece correctly, ensuring names and addresses are accurate. Consider using a service that offers addressing and mailing for you. Next, determine the postage options available through USPS. Choose a mailing option that fits your budget and delivery timeline. You can explore options like first-class mail or marketing mail. Once your mail pieces are ready, it's time to schedule your send date. Make sure to time your campaign strategically for maximum impact. When the time comes, drop off your mail pieces at your local post office or schedule a pickup. Monitor your campaign's effectiveness. Use tracking methods to gauge response rates and engagement. Evaluate the results and adjust your strategy for future campaigns accordingly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.